NATO is an alliance of 28 countries tasked to ensure the security and defense of its member nations' populations. Combined, that's over 900 million people. The world is changing, and NATO needs to adapt to meet future challenges. Nations are working together to do this, developing tools like the Joint Intelligence, Surveillance and Reconnaissance capability. Joint ISR is a combination of processes, systems and people, including NATO, and national air, maritime, ground and space assets which feed into fused reports. So how does it work? One scenario could involve an unmanned aircraft system providing high-resolution imagery of tank activity, while airborne radars detect hostile aircrafts, and satellites monitor population displacements. Troops could ensure people's safety with identity controls, while special forces closely watch for rebel activities around the city. Finally, ships could monitor sea traffic along the coast to avoid piracy attacks, and submarines could penetrate hostile areas to gather encrypted communications. All this information is then relayed to analysts, who combine the information to provide the right person with the right information at the right time. Better information means better decisions. We call this decision advantage.
The data that are coming from a variety of different systems, that can be satellites, it can be troops on the ground, it can also be unmanned aircraft doing surveillance missions and so on. So combining this all in a format that allows us to share the data coming from these various sources, and also to exploit the data, make the data usable to the military commanders. That is really at the heart of Joint ISR. IOC in our jargon stands for Initial Operational Capability, and it is the first quality step in what we are trying to achieve, and that is scoped for promoting data sharing and facilitating, enabling data sharing within a NATO response force. And that has been achieved actually as of this year with the NATO response force, composed of a land component command provided by Spain, air component command provided by Italy, maritime component, United Kingdom, and special forces provided by the United States.